Hi, it's Graham at 2cbtools.com again. I'm going to show you today all the tools required to completely overhaul a 2CV gearbox. That's a 435 or a 602. There are a great many tools and you can do every job required. There are pullers, pushers, measuring devices, there are tube drifts, there are tapered, these here, these are tapered and they're used to pull on the synchromesh rings and the bevel gear circlip, which is very strong. We have some circlip pliers which are useful. They're in the gearbox. We need circlip pliers like this because the circlips don't have holes in them for a two-prong circlip plier. There's your measuring devices. You've got a depth gauge and two dial gauges. That's for measuring the depth of the hubs and the depth of the burring on the bevel gear, and then you can estimate the total amount of shims that require putting in to be able to get the bevel gear and the crown wheel in correct mesh. This depth gauge is to test the depth of the bevel gear from the centre line of the crown wheel. That's the first thing that you set up, and it must be exactly correct, or else you'll get a gearbox that's whining and can wear out. So lots of nice tools, pullers there, these two instruments are for a 435 engine or gearbox, and one lightens the flywheel and you can grind it and skim it and reclaim it, and the other one does a centrifugal clutch drum. Took a long time to make this set of tools. I had a gearbox donated to me to strip down, and every task that I did I made a tool for it. I'd like to rewrite the manual. I may do that one day. These tools are not for sale, but you can hire them if you require them, and any amount of them, or you can hire the whole box. You can do your own gearbox then, and I'll supply all the instructions for you. Okay, that's Graham signing off. Thanks for watching.